Hello guys, today tutorial, how to make the sun in Fortnite. Basically, grab storm flips like this, and then just sort of spam, just sort of spam the,
Where's this
spam
bouncing
something.
off?
Spam whatever.
Mostly storm flames and then on to anything in the sky! And you
Just
get the
spam
darn
your
sun, depending
spam
on how many
storm
people
flips.
are here.
Basically just spam storm flips.
On an object that's in the air, and depending on how many people there are, the brighter it will possibly be.
You just keep going, and then when you are satisfied,
You stop, and then you take a picture.
then you go down,
That's a big old ball of light. And
then
it's
you take a
blinking too.
big sun. And yeah,
Yes.
that's basically how you make the sun in Fortnite.
Peace guys, until the next tutorial.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.